Hi, I'm Dan and I'm currently Youth Mayor.
Hi, I'm Bronwen.
Hi, I'm Reese.
Thank you for inviting us to talk to you all today. We are members of the Vale Youth Cabinet. The Youth Cabinet is a group of 6 young people elected from the Vale Youth Forum. We represent young people from across the Vale of Glamorgan and we listen to young people's issues and try to help resolve them and find solutions to them. This is why we believe that adults too should listen to the views of young people, especially in the case of ACEs. As a Youth Cabinet, in our last meeting we looked at the Welsh ACE study published by Public Health Wales and learned about the impact ACEs have on the lives of young people. We found that many issues brought up in the Youth Cabinet and Vale Youth Forum meetings are relevant to the ACEs. We think that this event today is vital as ACEs are a big issue for young people currently, and professionals here today play a huge role in supporting us as young people.
Now I'm going to continue to talk about the work we've done as a Youth Cabinet regarding ACEs. So an example of this would be the Make Your Mark ballot, which is a voting ballot for young people aged between 11 and 18 to decide which of 10 issues is most important to them and for other young people, and this is run by the UK Youth Parliament. Our results from the Make Your Mark ballot from 2016 show that the top voted issue was a curriculum to prepare us for life, and we believe this could include further education on ACEs to combat stigma and ignorance. 448 young people voted to stop the cuts affecting the NHS, as the NHS support could be vital for children experiencing ACEs, and many young people currently are concerned with not accessing services that they need. 440 votes were cast to say that mental health is the top issue for young people currently, as we believe this is directly in line with further issues regarding ACEs, and how more emphasis on mental health could drastically benefit young people from the Vale of Glamorgan and from across the UK. 171 young people voted for body image, which could be an issue caused directly by ACEs, and 164 votes were cast for raising awareness of sexual assault within schools, which is not only an example of an ACE, but also shows that how this ballot alone let us know this is a relevant issue for young people in the Vale of Glamorgan. Over 4,000 of us voted altogether from our constituency, so we believe that we've been successful in gaining the views and opinions of young people from across the Vale of Glamorgan. These figures show that issues surrounding ACEs are important to us young people here in the Vale of Glamorgan, and that we are actively asking for more support for the children and adults affected.
To add on to the point about the NHS, with NHS cuts becoming an increasing problem, supporting young people with ACEs will reduce health-related effects in later life, consequently saving the NHS money. We believe young people should be protected from potential health effects earlier rather than later. Also, supporting young people with ACEs is important as it upholds the rights that they are entitled to under the UNCRC. For example, the right to being protected from being badly hurt, the right to being protected from sexual abuse, the right to being protected from dangerous drugs. Listening to and being aware of young people with adverse childhood experiences will help combat the impact of them, because I know as a young person I would feel more empowered, respected, I'd feel more involved in matters that affect me, which links into Article 12, that young people should have a voice in matters that affect them. Those working with young people are an integral part of their support system. This will help in achieving a future where all young people will have the same opportunities no matter the environment that they grow up in. And this also links into Article 29 of the UNCRC. Young people have the right to be the best that they can be.
Thank you for allowing us to speak at this event. It's been a pleasure and I hope you've all learned something.
If you'd like to learn more about the Youth Cabinet, we have a Twitter account and a blog, and so the links for those will be on the screen.
Thanks for listening. We hope you enjoy the rest of your day.